Okay, so I just want to show you guys how to install Python in this first video. So I'm going to ask that you Google Python, and the first link that you should come across is python.org. We're going to go ahead and open it, and we're going to go to download right here. This is latest 3.9.5. I'm going to scroll to the bottom, and you have a bunch of different possible things to click here. The only two things that you should know about is if you have our Macintosh, you'll be doing I would say Universal Installer here, but I have a Windows machine, so I'm going to click on the last one, the Windows Installer here, and it'll start downloading for me. And I've already downloaded it, so I'm just going to go to the folder. And this is the file, so I'm going to go ahead and double click to open. Again, on the Windows machine, if you have a Macintosh, um, it's a little, I don't have a Macintosh, so you'll have to ask someone else in the class to help you. So I'm going to customize installation. I'm going to make sure that everything is checked. I'll click next. I'm going to install for all users. And I'm going to add Python to environment variables. And all that's going to do is it's going to allow me to run Python from any directory, though I don't have to run it. I don't have to, it's kind of difficult to explain, but that allows me to run Python universally across the system. I'll leave this installation location where it is. I'll hit install. It'll pop up with this message. I'll say yes. And now it'll install. Wait just a minute while it's running. It's almost done. Okay, I'm going to click on close. And then just to verify that it's working, I'm going to hit the start button in the lower left-hand corner. Excuse me. And I'm going to open up a program called Idle, I-D-L-E. And this is just the default editor for Python. And so I can really do anything here, but I'm just going to test it by typing out print, open parentheses, a single quote. I'll type hello world, end another single quote, and then end my parentheses, and I'll hit enter. And you'll notice that it prints out what I had in the quotes. So I have successfully installed Python. That's it for this video. I will work on the next video to be how to install Visual Studio Code and make it work with Python.